This is Soso Kitchen. Today we're going to make Soup Joumou. Hey, that's a long process for Soup Joumou. So I'm going to do step by step with you guys. Okay? Please do me a favor. If you the first time you're going to see me in YouTube video, please thumb up and then subscribe. Please. First of all, we need some meat. I washed my meat already. I seasoned my meat. And then this one, that's a bone. To do it, make sure I'm going to put this one in the stove with water, garlic, and then some green onion. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it and then leave it for half an hour or 45 minutes with 8 glasses of water, because we need the water to make the soup. So this one going to give you the taste for the soup. And then the real soup, you need the cilantro that make the soup. We need this one, that one, and that one that make the soup for the New Year's. I do this one scotch butter. You need some basil, some malanga. I always use the organic things, because when you put the organic thing in your soup, that's the nice, beautiful. Some carrots, green pepper, red pepper, some celery, and then you need some macaroni. You need this one and that one. Don't worry about the blending. Since you have it, I'm going to show you when you're going to do it, how you're going to do it. Make your soup nice and beautiful. And then I always use the frozen pot. The frozen pot always gives you the color. It's not going to give you the taste, but I use it for the color. This one, that's for the taste. I got both of them. I got butterscotch, I got butter. Either way, that's the same thing. If you want to use this one, you know, in Soso Kitchen, that's your kitchen. You always have to do it. Either way, you can use butterscotch, you can scotch. That's the same thing. That do the same thing. Okay? Both of them. Salt, cloves, and then scotch pepper. And then this one, you can choose this one for the last minute. Not a lot, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You can put everything at the same time. If you put everything at the same time, you're not going to have a nice soup. So nice soup and beautiful soup, you're going to do it. Okay? I'm going to put this one in the stove with green tea and some garlic. Okay? Thanks very much. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to start the soup now. Thank you. Okay? That's the butterscotch. So now, I was put this one. I put 6 cups of water for half an hour. They just finished boil. Now I'm putting the butterscotch for 5 minutes. This one is the meat. I don't put water in the meat. The meat give me water. So you just put it slow, 4, 5, and then that's it. Now that this is scotch butter, I was boiled, I put it here. Good. With water, the same water. Okay. I put it there. I put it on puree. Okay. I put it back. The turnip and the soup. Okay? I can put the green pepper. Wash it, put it. And then the celery, you can put the celery too, not carrots. We don't put the carrots yet.
It smells good.
Yeah. You put the celery, you put the turnip, you put the green pepper, red pepper. And then we can put the persil, the Italian persil. You will put this one. I can put the salt. I don't use Maggi. I'm going to stop the Maggi for you guys. I got one, my daughter. She loved me so much. And the YouTube. Let me call Janet. Janet, the girl loved me a lot. I look like a mother. What's the girl's name?
What's her name? Give me 1 second.
Okay. Salt, 2 spoons. Leave it again. Cover this one.
Wow, Melissa.
Melissa? Oh yeah. Melissa, my daughter, my beautiful girl. So, Love you, Melissa. This one that they made for the soup. Okay? You see? What they made for the soup.
But that, you can use any meat?
You can use any meat, so the best meat for the soup, that's beef. That tastes better for the soup. Okay. This one will give me a very nice color. Not for the taste, but for the color. Now, this soup almost done. I'm going to put everything. I'm going to put the carrots, cabbage, the malanga. Now let me put the water out. Hey, don't forget this one. That the cilantro. Make this one smell good. That's everything. Carrot, malanga, the organic thing, pomme de terre, potato one. So let me test it. If there are enough salt. You see guys, that's always very thick now. The color is very nice. Yeah, they have enough salt. I'm going to let this one boil. If you want to add more things you like, you can do it. I always add corn and maize. So today I don't have any corn, I don't put corn. Up to you. So I'm going to wait until this one boil. I'm going to put my meat and my spaghetti. That's it, and then the soup is ready. Okay? Nice. Thank you. Okay? Now, that's the meat. I'm going to put the meat now. I need some little hot pepper on it. Not too much. Haitian people, we love this one. And then that the soup, for final, I'm going to put this one for the final. Any kind, so I prefer this one. Okay? Any kind. No. You see? And then I always put the spaghetti one. So let's give me the same result. Not too many. That's it. The soup is ready now. Thank you.